Okay, hi everyone, I'm back again with another Django tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can set up the Django Debug Toolbar. I know this installation can be like a pretty big headache for a lot of people, so hopefully this helps clear things up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to your command line and we're going to type in pip install Django Debug Toolbar. I already have it installed, but yours should install there. We can go back to our project. This is the same one we've been working on. You're going to go over to settings under installed apps. Make sure you're doing this after the static files call, which is this one, and it's going to be debug toolbar. Then we go down to middleware here, and it's going to be debug toolbar dot middleware dot debug toolbar middleware. Just like that. Make sure there's no typos or anything. Then we go all the way down to the bottom, and it's internal IPs, and we're going to put your default IP, which should be 127.0.0.1, and that should be it for the settings. Now we're going to go over to your URLs, and this is the URLs in your overall project, not a particular app. And we do path, and now I know you're probably not used to doing regex expressions if you're using Django 2.0, but in this case we need one, but it's pretty simple. And then we're going to do includes debug toolbar.urls. Include, sorry. And then we're just going to come up here and do import debug toolbar. If you haven't, you might have to alt enter this and install the package. I've already done so I don't need to. So that should be it for the URLs. And now the last thing that I find often trips people up is that your HTML files actually have to have body tags, opening and closing, or else the toolbar won't open. So you have to add these to all your HTMLs. An easy way to do it as well is if you have the standard way of templating stuff with the Django layouts, but this is probably faster just to show you. Do that. So now everything has opening and closing body tags. And just to go over again, we did our path in the URL, and we went to our settings. We put the debug toolbar in installed apps. We put it in the middleware, and we changed our internal IPs to the 127.0.0.1. So now if we go over to our website, I'll make sure the thing is running. Our server. And there we go, we can see it here. We should be able to go to our other pages. It's still showing up. And just to show you how it works, so if I go to SQL, for example, you can see all the query results. You can expand them, and it's showing you what called. So like, for example, we're doing select from books where the topic, so where we have the genres IDs. You can just look through all this sort of stuff. You can see if you have errors, what's causing them, and yeah, you can do that for all the pages. You can see how long the query times are taking, so you can figure out what's causing your site to slow down, if anything, and there's just tons of useful stuff in here. You can look it all up on the Django Toolbar site. But yeah, that's how you configure it. Thanks for watching.